A way to prevent crime, a big help in monitoring traffic, or simply a gadget for safety inside your house. These are some of the benefits of one of the brightest inventions made by humans, the closed-circuit television or CCTV. The CCTV was first used to observe the launching of B-2 rockets in Germany in the year 1942. As time passed by, the CCTV has already become a necessity, and its models has been very innovative. Today, almost all establishments and homes use the closed-circuit television.
In siya ngayon kasi number one for security reason, at least mamomonitor mo yung establishment mo, yung bahay mo, saka yung premises mo. At the same time, ang number one advantage nito is with the help of technology kasi with the development of technology, nakikita na rin natin yung CCTV natin kahit saan lugar tayo through internet connection.
What are the kinds of CCTVs that are in demand in the market? The analog CCTV camera is the first in the list because it is also the cheapest. Next is the or FOSCAM, which has a high-definition camera. It also has audio monitor and night vision capability. And the PTC camera, which has the capability of being controlled by your cell phone or computer, provided it has an internet access. Because of these new models, it's for sure that you'll be having peace of mind, for you can have a glimpse of your house or business wherever you are.
Well satisfied kami sa mga development ng camera eh. Before, actually, hindi pa siya nagre-record sa cellphone. Pero ngayon, nagre-record na rin. At the same time, pwede mo na rin siyang marinig kung meron kang audio capture. So, talagang okay na siya eh. Parang, pero hindi natin alam, baring in the near future, mas maganda pa.
With the help of the CCTV cameras, the days of the criminals are now numbered. And we can all live peacefully knowing that we are secured.
Hindi na ba? Kami? Ina!
For the People's Television, Elizabeth Kachin.